Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a fun and easy DIY project for autumn season. A maple leaf plates from modeling clay. This project is perfect for everyone who loves crafting, nature and all things fall. So let's get started. First, gather your materials: modeling clay, rolling pin, maple leaf template, which you can find on internet, and utility knife. Start by rolling out your clay to a thickness of about 0.5 centimeter or thicker. Then use your maple leaf template to trace the shape onto the clay. Next, cut it out the leaf using your knife. If you are feeling extra creative, you can even add some texture to your leaf by using a toothpick or skewers to create veins. For those who doesn't know what a dry modeling clay is and used for, is a versatile and easy to use material that dries naturally without the need for a kiln or oven. It's a perfect for creating sculptures, figurines, clay pots and dishes, ornaments, decorative items, molding. Experiment with different textures and even make your own clay jewelries. The possibilities are endless. It's perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. And the best part, you can use it right away without any preparation. It's lightweight, non-toxic, and comes in a range of color to suit your creative needs. Once you are happy with your design, simply press the leaf into the plate and let it dry for about 24 hours or more until it gets dry. Once your plate has dried, let's move on to the fun part, painting. Using the colors of your choice, paint the maple leaf plate in a way that represents the beauty of autumn. You can use multiple colors or keep it simple with just a few. Remember, you want the colors to blend together, creating a beautiful autumn scene. Allow the paint to dry completely and then seal and protect the paint with clear varnish or wax. And voila, you've got a stunning maple leaf plate, perfect for the autumn season. Thank you for joining me in this creative journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome DIY projects. Happy crafting, everyone!